Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The learned tribunal set aside the order of termination on non-compliance of Section 18 of the Act 1989 inasmuch as before terminating the services of the appellant employee prior approval of the Director of Education was not obtained. Stop. The same came to be confirmed by the learned single judge, however, by the impugned judgment and order. Taking a contrary view, the division bench of the High Court has allowed the appeal and has restored the order of termination. Stop. From the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court, it appears that before the High Court, the decision of this court in the case of Rajkumar Supra, taking a contrary view and taking the view that before terminating the services of an employee of a recognized institution prior approval of the Director of Education is required was pressed into service. Stop. However, though impermissible, the division bench of the High Court has not followed the said binding decision by observing that in the case this court had referred to and as such dealt with the decision of this court in the case of TMA Pi Foundation Supra. Stop. Even the decision in the case of TMA Pi Foundation Supra was explained and considered by this court in the case of Rajkumar Supra. Stop. Therefore, the division bench of the High Court is factually incorrect in observing that while deciding the decision in the case of Rajkumar Supra, this court had not considered the decision of this court in the case of TMA Pi Foundation Supra. Stop. Before commenting upon the decision of this court in the case of Rajkumar Supra, the division bench of the High Court ought to have thoroughly read and considered the decision in the case of Rajkumar Supra. Stop. Even after making the incorrect observations that in the case of Rajkumar Supra, this court had not considered the decision of this court in the case of Supra, the division bench of the High Court has considered few decisions of judicial discipline which were not applicable at all. Stop. Judicial discipline also requires that the judgment decision of this court should not be considered and read thoroughly. Stop. As observed herein above, the decision of this court in the case of Rajkumar Supra was binding upon the High Court. Stop. Therefore, the division bench of the High Court has seriously erred in not following the decision of this court in the case of Rajkumar Supra. Stop. Now, so far as the decision of this court in the case of Rajkumar Supra is concerned, this court was considering pari materia provisions under no employee of a recognized institution shall be removed, dismissed or reduced in rank unless he has been given by the management a reasonable opportunity of being heard against the action proposed to be taken, provided that no final order in this regard shall be passed unless prior approval of the Director of Education or an officer authorized by him in this behalf has been obtained. Stop.